Now it's time to wrap this up. So before we wrap up the Jenkins, we will look into the summary, and we will see, we'll just go through it what we have discussed so far. So we have begun with we'll see managing Jenkins. What are there in managing Jenkins? Managing Jenkins consists of a system configuration section and um, security section. In system configuration section, you will find how to configure tools, and then and find configuring their tools and their locations and automatic installers. This kind of information you will find in system configuration. And manage plugins, we have seen there how to install the plugin, how to enable the plugin, and if you want to disable the plugin, all things can be done here. And similarly, we have seen manage nodes and clouds. So managing the nodes, we have used one example, that's a Docker example. And on other side, security. So security here, we have seen the manage users at the beginning, how to create a user and how to delete a user and how to modify the user, that we have seen. And then configure credential providers, and we have seen the manage credentials, how to add credentials and everything. Then again, managing Jenkins, few more sections. That status information section, we have not gone so much into this because it's not primarily that important for building the pipelines. If it would be important to gather more information about the pipelines and about your Jenkins and your system log and your load statistics, and if you want to know about your Jenkins and your environment variable, all that information, system information, everything, you will get it from the status information. And we have tools and actions. From here you can use Jenkins CLI and furthermore uh, uh, extensions of Jenkins. Then for the troubleshooting, you can use manage old data. Then finally we are coming to the managing plugins, because this is very important. So in managing plugins, what we have done, we have installed the plugin, and we have updated the plugins, we have enabled the plugins, and we have disabled the plugins. So that's what is all for now with Jenkins. We have seen too much. I hope you are following very much with me, and I hope you enjoyed the Jenkins session and Jenkins exercises and Jenkins demonstrations. So if you like it, kindly please spread it and keep liking me, keep liking my videos, and keep subscribing my videos, and keep enjoying, keep loving. I'll see you in another module of this course I DevOps for you, that is Docker. Until then, bye bye and see you again.